In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hugging Face LLMs in n8n. By the end, you'll have a working workflow that sends a message to a Hugging Face model and returns an AI-generated response, all inside n8n. First, open your n8n instance and head to the Workflows area. This is your canvas for creating automations. If you're new to n8n, think of a workflow as a series of connected nodes that pass data from one step to the next. Create a new workflow so we can start fresh. You'll see an empty canvas where we'll add our first node. Click Add to insert a node. In the node picker, search for and select Basic LLM Chain. This is a convenient building block that handles the prompt, model selection, and response in one place, so you don't have to wire multiple nodes together. Once the node appears on the canvas, click it to highlight and open its settings panel on the right. This panel is where you'll configure everything. In the prompt field, type the message you want to send to the model. Keep it clear and specific. Good prompts lead to better outputs. If you're testing, you can start with something simple like summarize this text or draft a friendly reply, then refine later. Next, open the model menu in the same panel. From the available providers, choose Hugging Face Inference Model. This tells n8n to route your prompt to Hugging Face's hosted models. If this is your first time using Hugging Face in n8n, you'll be asked to set up credentials. Add your Hugging Face API key securely using n8n's Credential Manager. Give the credential a clear name so you can reuse it later. Avoid pasting keys directly into nodes or sharing them in workflows. Storing them as credentials keeps them safe and easy to manage. Save your credential, then make sure it's selected for the node. With the prompt, model, and credentials in place, it's time to test. Use the chat or test interface in the nodes panel to send your message. You should see the model's response appear in the output. If the result isn't quite right, tweak the prompt for clarity or try a different model from the same menu. Small prompt adjustments can make a big difference. That's it. You've connected n8n to a Hugging Face LLM using the basic LLM chain. From here, you can plug this node into broader automations, pass data in from triggers, and route the AI's answer to email, chat, or your database. Save your workflow, and you're ready to build.